Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and this time we have a latest news about the OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro. So without wasting time, let's get into it. So the OnePlus 9 Pro was also leaked earlier the last year, or we can say in December, and also this time we have an update direct from the Pete Lau from the Weibo, which is the Twitter for China. We also have the price of the OnePlus 9 series and the specification which are expected also on the camera update. So without wasting time, subscribe to our channel and let's get into it. So talking about the design of the OnePlus 9 series, it is expected to come as the same design setup as it was available on the Samsung's S20 series, which is a rectangular camera back and also which was seen on the OnePlus 8T. The OnePlus 9 Pro is expected to come with a whopping 108 megapixel camera with optical image stabilization, which is going to pair with the wide angle camera, and also the depth sensor will also be included in that, and a telephoto lens. The Pro variant is also expected to come with the IP68 water resistance, so the OnePlus 9 Pro will not only able to stand with accidental spills but also stay alive in 50 meters water for up to 30 minutes. The selfie camera is also going to see an upgrade from to 32 megapixels punch hole selfie camera with the borderless edges of the OnePlus 9 Pro. The refresh rate is also going to get a pump of 144Hz refresh rate on the OnePlus 9 Pro and the 120 or a 90Hz display rate on the OnePlus 9 Vanilla. Now talking about the processor, the OnePlus 9 series is expected to come with the latest just launched Qualcomm top-end chipset processor, which are the Snapdragon 888 with 5G connectivity. The OnePlus 9 series will be the one of the first smartphones to use the Snapdragon 888 5G. On the battery side, the 9 series is expected to come at a 10% increment of battery capacity, and also the fast charging of 125 watts ultra fast charging will be supported on the OnePlus 9 Pro, and the 65 ultra fast charging will be supported on the OnePlus 9. As earlier, we have also learned that the OnePlus 9 series is expected and will launch earlier than usual, which is expected at the March or the April, which is earlier than May or June OnePlus event. Now, when it comes to the pricing, the OnePlus 9 Vanilla Edition is expected to come at a price drop of 2000 rupees at 41,000, and the OnePlus 9 Pro is expected to come as the same as the OnePlus 8 Pro at a price of 55,000 only. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below about the pricing, and is it too early to depict about the OnePlus 9 series, or are we going to be right? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.